This video will highlight a good tip on how to make sure that your RSO page, as well as the events you create, are staying inclusive for all of our students here on campus at Minnesota State. So I have an example event pulled up. Something that we want to make sure that we're doing as RSOs when we plan events is making sure that each of our events have descriptions under any pictures or flyers that might be added, so that any student that may be using a screen reader to look at our events will get the same information. And so on this event, if you scroll down, you can see under details where the event flyer and image is, there is a 1 to 2 sentence description for this picture. So that allows screen readers to also read the information provided within the image for those students that may be using those screen readers. So I can show you where that is when you're creating an event. If you go up here to edit, right here where it says description under the first what organization tool, this is the description that will appear under the picture. And so we want to make sure that we're including a detailed description for every event, which then appears under your flyer. And that just makes sure that everybody is getting the same information.